This video will demonstrate how to install and operate the Tork Xpressnap Signature In-Counter Dispenser. To install the dispenser where there is no existing cutout hole present, use the template that was included with the dispenser. The dispensers were designed to fit existing industry standard cutouts. The In-Counter comes in 3 lengths to meet customers' capacity and space needs. The 20-inch dispenser holds up to 1,000 napkins, the 12-inch up to 600 napkins, and the 5-inch up to 250 napkins. The dispenser is easily installed without the need for glue, caulk, or tape. Slide the dispenser into the cutout and locate the slots on the side of the dispenser. Use the clips to lock the dispenser in place by inserting them into the slot just below the counter thickness. Be sure to insert all 4 clips. The In-Counter dispenser was designed so that the lid will cover any gaps between the counter and the dispenser. Now let's fill the dispenser with napkins. Locate the arrow on the front of the lid and slide the lid in the direction of the arrow. Lift up the lid and you'll see the red base of the dispenser. The red base acts as a refill indicator to show when there are no napkins left in the dispenser. Place the napkins into the dispenser, close the dispenser lid and slide it back into place. Start the first napkin by reaching into the mouth of the dispenser lid with your thumb and finger. Pull through the mouth and the napkin is ready to use. To ensure proper dispensing, be sure not to overfill the dispenser. To clean the dispenser, use only mild cleansers. Wipe with a cloth using soap and water. Do not use abrasives. Remember, the dispenser is not dishwasher safe. For more information on the Tork Xpressnap Signature Napkin Dispensing System, please contact your local SCA sales representative or go to www.torkusa.com.